Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will crochet 4 corner crochet. Okay, so let's get started. So I have my yarn here. I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. My purpose of making chain of 5 is to have this slip knot over here. So I'm going to insert my hook, make a slip knot that way, and I'm going to pull a little bit of my yarn and I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'm going to yarn over, make a double crochet in this very hole as you see. So I'm going to make 3 double crochet, 1, pull through loops, pull through again 2 loops, you can see this is how it's supposed to look like. This chain we're going to count because we're going to slip knot at the end. So I'm going to chain 2 from here, make again 3 double crochet, make chain of 2, three double crochet again, 2 more left, chain 2, over, again I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. Now here we're going to count 1, 2 and 3. So we'll go inside the last loop of the chain, pull through, and there. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. So we're going to work in each of the space, this one, the second one, third one and the fourth one. So yarn over and we're going to go right inside this space, going to make 3 double crochet, going to chain 2, 1 and 2, yarn over in the same space, going to make 3 double crochet, you can see, and the last one, chain 2, to come here in the second one, the second space, to chain 2 again, yarn over, make 3 double crochet again, chain 2. So as you can see, we have made in each of the space chain 3, 2 stitches, chain 3, then we will make 2 stitches, chain 3, 2 single stitches and chain 3. So I'm going to finish up with these 2 and see you later in the next round. So here I have, so I made my 4 corners here. In each space of the 4 corner I made 6 of double crochet. In between I made 2 single stitches to have this space here. So I have here, I'm on the last row, so I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then here I'm going to come and insert my hook that way, pull through, make a slip knot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. In each of the 4 spaces we have 6 of them. So we're going to chain 2, going to yarn over, bring here again, we'll do the same sequence, chain 2, and chain 2 again, yarn over. Now here in this space here we're going to make 4 double crochet. Then chain 2 again, then we'll come again over here, yarn over, make 3 double crochet, then 2 double stitches, then yarn over, yeah, chain of 2, yarn over, I make 4 of them in the second box or space, chain 2 again, chain 2, chain 2 again, yarn over, come again here, this is same space here, make 4 of them, you can see, chain 2 again, 1, 2, then we come over here, chain 3 double crochet, over here to chain 2 again. Yeah, chain 2. So you see we chain 2, but now here we're going to chain of 3. Then we're going to come 1, 2, 3, and go right over there. See, pull through yarn and make a slip knot that way. So I'm going to just make a chain to show you how it works. So as you can see, we made chain of 4, then we made 3 double crochet. In between we made chain of 2, and in each of the space we made 6 of them, and in between we made 2. So it's like you make 4 corner double crochet, then you make in each space 6 of them, in between chain of 2. So the result you're going to get is you'll have this kind of result. You see, as I made this one here, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, and in each of the space you'll have 3 double crochets. In between you have chain of 2, and you'll make the round, and then in the space remaining, the space you have over here, in the space you will make 4 double crochet over here, chain of 2, 3 of double crochet, in between chain of 2, 4 double crochet, and chain of 2, 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 3 double crochet. So this is how it's going to look like. This is just a sample I made for you. So as you can see, it's the same as this one. As it goes more bigger and bigger, it will become a tablecloth or a baby blanket, or for whichever motif you want to use, you can use it. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you soon next time. Bye bye.